Good morning students. Today I will explain some numericals based on conversion of temperature on different scales. Now we have to see question number 1. Convert minus 40 degree C into degree F and Kelvin. As we know, degree F is equal to 9/5 into degree C plus 32. We have to put the value of degree C 9/5 into minus 40 plus 32. Then we get minus 8 plus 32. 9 8 is 72 minus 72 plus 32. We get minus 40. Now we have to calculate degree C minus 40 degree C into Kelvin. We know K is equal to degree C plus 273. We have to put the value of temperature in degree C minus 40 plus 273 is equal to 3. 7 में 4 का माइनस करेंगे आएगा 3 233. Dear student, now answer is minus 40 degree C is equal to minus 40 degree F is equal to 233 Kelvin. Other examples like this question, if we have to convert minus 60 degree C into degree F, and Kelvin, other example, that is minus 60 degree C into degree F and Kelvin. Then we get, first we have to put formula, degree F is equal to 9/5 into degree C plus 32. We have to put the value of degree C, that is minus 60 plus 32. We get 5 and 5 have to get 10. 12 5 60 minus 12 आ गया. 9 इंटू माइनस 12 करेंगे minus 108 आएगा प्लस 32. 8 में से 2 गया 6, 2 में से 3 गया 7 minus sign. Now we have to change minus 60 degree C into Kelvin. We know K is equal to degree C plus 273. Then by putting the value of degree C, that is minus 60 plus 273, we get 3. 7 में से 6 गया 1 2 213. Now answer is minus 60 degree C is equal to minus 76 degree F is equal to 213 Kelvin. Dear students, now we have to solve other question. You have to understand very clearly. This is the answer, that minus 60 degree C is equal to minus 76 degree F is equal to 213 Kelvin. Now we have to see, convert minus 80 degree F into degree C and Kelvin. We have to put degree F, temperature in degree F is equal to 9.5 into degree C plus 32. But here temperature is given in degree Fahrenheit, so we have to put value of temperature in degree Fahrenheit. That is, we have to put value of degree F is equal to 80, 9.5 to degree C plus 32. Then we have to transfer 32 in left side. Then we get 80 minus 32 is equal to 9/5 into degree C. After subtracting, we get 48 equal to 9/5 into degree C. नाइन अपॉन 5 को लेफ्ट साइड में ट्रांसफ़र करेंगे तो 5/9 हो जाएगा इक्वल टू डिग्री C. नाउ वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट 5 8 जा 40, 240/9, that is 3 8 जा 24, 80/3. Means 80 degree F is equal to 26.67 degree Celsius. Now we have to change this value into Kelvin. As we know, K is equal to degree C plus 273. We have to put the value in degree C, degree Celsius. Then we get 26.67 plus 273 is equal to 0.67, 639 729 299.67. Now we have to solve question number 3. Convert 125 Kelvin. Convert 125 Kelvin into degree C and degree F. As we know, K is equal to C plus 273. Value of K is given. 125 is equal to C plus 273. 125 minus 273 is equal to C. Then value of C is equal to 8. (148) minus 148. Now we have to convert minus 148 degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit. Degree F is equal to 9/5 into degree C plus 32. Then we get 9/5 into डिग्री सी में वैल्यू दी गई है -148 प्लस 32 9 इंटू 5 2 जा 10 5 9 जा 45 6 जा 30 प्लस 32 माइनस 26 डेसिमल लगाएंगे 0.6 हो गया यहाँ पर प्लस 32 वी गेट 0.4432 माइनस 2 34.4. Dear students, we get minus 234.4. So we can say answer is 125 Kelvin is equal to minus 148 degree C is equal to minus 234.4 degree F. Question number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to solve it. By yourself. खुद सॉल्व करिए.